welcome to I's Kitchen. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make some matcha muffins with red bean filling. And these muffins are gluten-free and also vegan. I've already preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and the ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so you can pull that up while you're baking. Okay, so I have with me 2 cups of almond flour, and then I'm gonna mix my dry ingredients first. So I'm gonna move wet ingredients. First, I'm gonna work with dry ingredients, and these will be your powders and like your dry ingredients. In this big bowl, I have 2 cups of almond flour, and then this is 3/4 cup of potato starch. And then in this little guy, I have some culinary grade matcha powder, and then in this one, I have cornstarch, baking powder, and salt. So I'm gonna mix in my potato starch first inside this is the almond flour, so I'm gonna put this one in first. And now comes the cornstarch, baking powder, and salt. So this little guy has all 3 ingredients mixed into one. Do that. And then our culinary grade matcha powder. And then mix, mix, mix. So next comes our wet ingredients. Okay, so first I'm gonna put in my unsweetened applesauce. Okay, and then we have our dairy-free milk because these muffins are vegan. I'm gonna pour this one in there. Okay, and then our avocado oil. That sounds so fancy. We have our avocado oil. Pour that in there.
So you want to know the reason why I use avocado oil? Because it doesn't have a strong flavor of its own, and also it can withstand high temperatures. So it's good for things like baking. Yeah. The flavor doesn't change when it gets heated up. Yeah.
So that's why we use avocado oil. And then this will come later. And then this guy is our maple syrup. I'm gonna dump this in too. This is one big bowl of sweetness, happiness. It smells so good. There's no egg in here.
No.
So it's okay.
Yeah, you can. You can taste it if you want. Absolutely.
Okay, so make sure after you're done mixing, check to see if you have any other dry ingredients in the bottom of the bowl, because that's not gonna be good. You're gonna taste like bits of powder in it, which you don't want. So then I've already gone ahead and lined up my muffin tin with these little muffin, what are these called?
Liners, cupcake liners.
Cupcake liners, yes. So my cupcake liners, can you guys see? Yes, you can. Okay, and then all that's left should be your batter, your red bean filling, and some cane sugar. And this is for decorations, and it also tastes very yummy. Okay, so I have 3 spoons, 2 different sizes. These 2 are big, and this is a little bit smaller. This one will be for our red bean. This is paste, and then this is to put our batter into these cupcake liners. Okay, so I'm gonna do this how I normally do bake cookies. Take a spoonful, like this much?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're gonna put it into our cupcake liner. And this is to cover the bottom so you don't have any red bean paste peeking through. Okay, I'm going to flatten this so our red bean paste is nice and cozy in there and doesn't move around. Flatten. And then a little bit of red bean paste. So cute. And then cover it.
Yeah. And then you have another scoop on top.
my goodness, that was... Look at that, it's so cute. Okay. And now... So they just came out of the oven. They've been sitting here for about 10 minutes to cool. I'm going to try one. Oh, they smell so good. You can see the little crystals on top that we sprinkled. Very fluffy inside too. Wow. And it's not too sweet. That's what I like about this. There's filling on the inside. So I'm going to enjoy these muffins. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!